Welcome to the Balanced Humanity.
Have you ever driven your car somewhere and arrived at your destination safely? But when you got there, you realized you had no recollection of the trip, or how many lights and stop signs you might have run, or been in a conversation with your friend and realized that she had asked you something but you had no idea what she was talking about because you pretty much checked out of the conversation and weren't really listening to her. If you are like most people, the answer to both of those questions is probably a resounding yes. During our busy and stressful lives, our attention is usually all over the place. We leap from one thing to the next, like a monkey in a tree, just grabbing at things that interest us or demanding our attention, drifting on to something else, caught up in our thought and in our worries. In fact, a 2010 study by two Harvard professors shows that we are not paying attention to what we are actually doing almost 47% of the time. Let me be more specific. What are you paying attention to right now? Think about it. Maybe you are registering my words, but my guess is that some of you be also attending to other things. Maybe you are considering what to write in an email or wondering what you might like for dinner. Maybe you are making a mental list of all the things that you need to do when we finish up here today. And while this may not seem like a big deal, the same research that I just referred concluded that people are consistently less happy when their minds are wandering, even when the content of their thoughts is generally pleasant. Why is that? Well, we are not paying deep attention, or when we are operating with a kind of automaticity, we are virtually unprotected. It's like the guard who been hired to keep us safe has fallen asleep on the job. We are more vulnerable to anxiety, stress, depression, and we are more likely to be triggered or get our buttons pushed and to respond in ways that are unhelpful and not very constructive. Living in this way, we can really exacerbate our own suffering and miss out on quite a lot that life has to offer. We disconnect from our bodies and we can get stuck in mechanical conditions, ways of thinking and being that really aren't in alignment with how we want to be living. Mindfulness helps us recollect to our basic ability to be fully present and stay recognizant of where we are and what we are doing. And it helps us to not be overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on. It helps us wake up and lift out our autopilot and take the steering wheel of our attention again.